Wow, today I am very happy to share this zipper with you. If you are bag manufacturer, luggage manufacturer, tent manufacturer or any other manufacturer who uses zippers, then you must listen to me because 99% people don't know how powerful is this double layer anti-explosion zipper is. After its extensive testing, its tensile strength is relatively higher, more than 1100 newtons for traditional double layer zippers, and it's also waterproof and can be used reversed. Do you think that's all? No way. Its single sided double layer design makes the zipper glide like butter every corner, and it's like magic. These are the samples I need to take the broad to the customers, and I want to tell them that this is the very good thing to overcome the bad reviews of the customers. Look at this colorful zipper. This red line and the double layer looks so cool on the suitcase. Like, save, follow, and wait for me to come back.